How to identify signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which typically indicate happiness and excitement. However, what happens when your furry friend's tail becomes injured or broken? Recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip is crucial for early diagnosis and proper treatment. In this video, we will explore the symptoms and steps to identify these injuries in your beloved pet. 1. Behavior changes. One of the initial signs that your dog's tail might be broken is a sudden change in behavior. Dogs typically express their emotions through body language, and a broken tail can drastically affect their demeanor. If your normally happy and active dog suddenly becomes withdrawn, avoids wagging its tail, or shows signs of pain or discomfort, it may indicate a tail injury. 2. Tail position. Observe your dog's tail position carefully. A tail injury can cause it to droop unnaturally or be held in an abnormal position. If you notice that your dog's tail is bent downward or held stiffly to one side, it is likely that the tail is broken. Additionally, you might observe reduced mobility in the tail due to the injury. 3. Swelling and bruising. Another telltale sign of a broken tail is swelling and bruising. Gently run your hand along your dog's tail to feel for any abnormal lumps, bumps, or areas of tenderness. Swelling and bruising might not be immediately visible, but when present, they indicate internal damage. It is crucial to consult a veterinarian for further examination and treatment. 4. Discharge or bleeding. In some cases, you may notice discharge or bleeding at the site of the injury. This is a clear indication that your dog's tail is injured. The discharge may be pus-like, indicating an infection, or a clear liquid, suggesting a potential fracture. Keep an eye out for any changes in color, consistency, or odor of the discharge, as these can help your veterinarian diagnose the severity of the injury. 5. Pain and sensitivity. Dogs with broken tails often exhibit signs of pain, discomfort, and sensitivity in the affected area. If your furry companion pulls away, cries out, or objects when you touch or try to wag their tail, it is a strong indication of an injury. Be cautious while handling your dog's tail, as excessive force may worsen the condition or cause further pain. 6. Loss of appetite or lethargy. When dogs are in pain, they may experience a loss of appetite or become lethargic. If your dog suddenly starts refusing their favorite treats or shows a lack of interest in their regular activities, it is important to consider a tail injury as the potential cause. Monitor your furry friend closely and seek veterinary attention if these symptoms persist. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip is crucial for prompt diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Changes in behavior, tail position, swelling, bruising, discharge or bleeding, pain, sensitivity, loss of appetite, and lethargy should all be considered as potential indicators of a tail injury. Remember, if you suspect your dog's tail is broken, seeking veterinary advice and care is essential for your pet's well-being and recovery. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional veterinary advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified veterinarian with any questions or concerns you may have regarding your pet's health.